Welcome to Steel 21. Steel 21 is the preferred supplier of A36 and 4140 steel plate, servicing the tool and die, plastic injection mold, and other original equipment manufacturers. Since we cannot have you in for a tour, we are going to bring the tour to you. We want to overview our processes and provide you with a better idea of what sets Steel 21 apart. We only use certified plates that guarantee the steel is up to customer specifications. We start our inventory at ½ inch thick and work in ¼ inch increments up through 12 inches thick. We burn directly from our customers' detailed drawings and specifications. We utilize both plasma and oxy-fuel flame cutting. The benefit to cutting with plasma is the speed and accuracy. We can cut through 2 inches thick while holding tolerances plus or minus 30 thousandths of an inch. Our oxy-fuel burners can hold tolerances plus or minus 60 thousandths of an inch. We are known for our burning accuracy that saves our customers time and money. Steel 21's greatest contribution to the industry is the patented 21 micro milling process. For proprietary reasons, we can't disclose the details, but what is important are the results. Our 21 micro mill can hold tolerances 3 times more flat and parallel and 5 times smoother surface quality than Blanchard grinding. We assure our quality by running an indicator over every plate we finish. We are known to be able to hold plates up to 20 feet in length, consistently flat, within 2/1000ths of an inch. This process is also better for the environment because it is 100% recyclable. Steel 21's accuracy saves you time and money, and the process saves the environment. Steel 21 also provides machine complete services that allow our customers to receive details ready for mounting. Stay away from machining distortion. All pre-machining, drilling, tapping, keyways, T-slots, handling holes, whatever you need, Steel 21 can gut it before you finish. We are known for our precision, reliability, and attention to detail. Steel 21 has developed faster, more accurate processing methods. The assembly team ensures the edges on the plates are smooth and that the finish is up to customer specifications. Steel 21 carefully cleans and packages each plate to ensure the beautiful 21 micro mill finish. Once the shipment is ready, Steel 21 truckers deliver safely to your facility on time. All sharp edges and burrs are removed, so the product is ready for assembly upon arrival. At Steel 21, we are known for consistency and quality. Steel 21 is high quality, on time, for less. Your team will notice the difference.